Hello, welcome back. In this chapter, we will be covering the basics of creating reports. Reports offer a way to view, format, and summarize the information in your Microsoft Access database. So, for example, you can create a simple report of your phone number, or you can create a simple report of the phone numbers of your contacts. Okay, so a report consists of information that is pulled from tables or queries, as well as information that is stored with the report design. Okay, so the tables or queries that provide these underlying tables are also known as a report record source. So in order to create our reports, we get the records from our tables or from our queries. So we can actually create reports using our tables and our queries. Okay, so report helps us to actually summarize the informations that we want to print out, or the information we want to let people know about. Okay, all right, so in order to do that, we are first going to go to the create tab, and then we can see how we can create a report. So let's say you have a lot of data or information like this in your database. Okay, so I want to create a report for my data or my database. What I gotta do right now is go to the create tab, okay, and then locate reports. Okay, so I go to reports, or I can go to report design. Okay, but I just want to go to reports, okay, so that I can quickly create a report, so I can generate a report quickly. Okay, so I'm going to go to report. So you can see here that the software has created a report for me, and the view we are in right now is the layout view. Okay, so this is the layout view of the report. Okay, so let's go to the report view. Okay, so let's see what the report view looks like. So this is the report view. Okay, so this is actually what we will be printing. You can see there's the customer, names here, there's a date here, the time here, and then you can see the records we have on the table. Okay, so we go back when we go back to the layout view. This is where we can actually change the layout of our form. Okay, we can drag and drop wherever we want our reports to be. Okay, and then when we go to the design view, okay, this is actually where we can design our forms. We can add colors just like we did for the forms. Okay, so I want to design my reports a little bit so that we can see how we do that. Okay, so let me drag this a little bit down. Let me drag this one a little bit down, click somewhere here, and then change the back color to, let's say, let's change the back color here to, let me make it this color. Okay, let me bring this down a little bit, change the back color here to orange. No, let's change it to, change it a little bit. So we are just choosing colors. Okay, so we want to change something else. We just want to we just want to leave it like that. So you can just play around with it, change, design it the way you see fit. Okay, so let's go ahead and change it back to the report view. So you can see we have created a very nice looking report. Okay, so you can actually do a lot of you know design with your form. Okay, so this is how we create a form, and then we will see what happens when you go to the print preview. Okay, so this is how the form will look like when you want to print out your form. Okay, but you can see at this side that it has cut out some of the information that you wanted. Okay, so you can also go to the landscape mode so that you can really see, bring out the other information here. But if this still doesn't work, you still have to go back to the design view and then you have to know how to design. And then also you can go to the layout view so that you can change the layout of your report. You can bring everything inside, so you have to know how to drag and drop, bring everything closer. Okay, so there are other things, so you can see it in here. See, it goes in here. So let's say we are in the design view. Okay, so I want to bring the other side. See, so I can just come here, drag this down here. Okay, and then let's see what happens. So let's go back to the report view. So you can see we need to change the design of the form because the table is quite longer, in the portrait mode. In the layout mode, you can see that the report goes inside and disappears on the right hand side. So you can just design your report how you want. And before you continue, and make sure you save it. So we're gonna save this so that it can appear in the so we're gonna change this to the customer report. Okay, customer report. So we're gonna change the customer report, save it so you can see it has appeared here as a customer report. Okay, so check out the other videos on how we created a form. Okay, okay, so thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe.